Right, welcome back. You're with Tangata Pacifica. To music now. Opeloge Ah Sam has had an illustrious career in music.
It all began at Newton PIC and the church choir, of course.
Now, his latest work, Aue Te Tagi, is the end result of his thesis at the Melbourne Music Conservatory. And Aaron Tauma went along to find out more.
Opeloge Ah Sam has played piano since he was a boy. Growing up in the PIC church in Newton, Auckland, under the mentorship of the late great Reverend Friedl, Opeloge has been a mainstay playing the organ every Sunday. Now, after years of study at the Melbourne Music Conservatory, Opeloge has returned home to perform Aue Te Tagi, what he has termed fa'a musica. But is it opera?
The term opera has been thrown around a lot in regards to this, and it is based on the concept of an opera, or the model of an opera. However, one of the goals in my project for the last 3 years in doing my PhD has been to come up with, I guess, a concept or an idea that is more relevant to me as a Samoan musician-composer. Coming up with this idea of a fa'a musica, which is basically from 2 words. The first being fa'alinga, which is to show, or a show in Samoan, and musica, which simply means music. Certainly for me, it means something more personal to me as a Samoan.
The concept of fa'a musica is the final piece for Opeloge's PhD. It's experimental and has come to stage on a shoestring budget with a lot of love, sweat and tears.
It has been a wee bit stressful, just because it's, you know, when people are doing things for the love of it, they're working work and family and everything in between, and quite often there'd be a rehearsal and there'd be 2 people and it'd be like, right, okay.
But with the support of the PIC choir and performers like Ben Makisi and Austrian diva Daniela Friedl, the story of Samoa's infamous Black Saturday has been transformed into a love story.
My character, I play the guy that falls in love with the governor's daughter, kind of like the forbidden love sort of scene person. It's almost like a Romeo and Juliet, but set in 1920s during Samoa.
I'm actually acting in the part of Marian, and she's supposed to be from New Zealand, which I'm not, which is another great challenge for me, since I'm performing in 2 different languages, in Samoan and in English, which are both not my mother tongues. But I very much enjoy the process.
Robert Wiremu took up the project at the last minute. His performance as Corona was convincing nonetheless.